My name is Cody Askins. I've been in the insurance industry since I was 20 years old, and it's my mission to help and train every insurance agent in the world. We took 7 agents from around the country and had them compete in the most intense, emotional, and entertaining competition the industry has ever seen.
3, 2, 1, go!
What information do you want me to send?
Stop freaking responding like I'm pissing you off.
Hey, I'm telling you, it'll take APV off.
This is real.
You can't do that here. You shouldn't do it ever.
We brought in some of the top mentors and trainers in the world to help these agents along the way. We pushed them to their limits, fine-tuned their skills, and documented the entire experience.
That didn't go to plan.
Gonna get some people some life insurance.
That's the choo-choo train starting to move, the locomotive.
7 agents, 6 days, and $121,000 on the line.
And the competition starts right now. Welcome to Ultimate Agent Season 2. I'm your host, Cody Askins, and I'm super excited that you are here. We are live in our CA and A% headquarters in Springfield, Missouri. Give yourselves a hand for being here.
I can definitely see the nerves, with other contestants. We're all here. You're still trying to figure everybody out.
I'm not very intimidated by any of the other contestants.
Without a doubt, I will be the winner of Ultimate Agent Season 2.
I'm here to win the whole thing. I'm not really intimidated by anybody.
It's stiff competition, to say the least.
I did a lot to be here, so I definitely don't want to come back too quickly.
Is the experience going to be awesome no matter what? Absolutely, but yeah, I came here to win.
So we hosted the Ultimate Agent Tour, 5 cities, 5 days on a private jet with 30 people joining us. We went to Orlando, Atlanta, Charlotte, Chicago, and Dallas, and we hand-selected each one of you to be a part of Ultimate Agent Season 2. When we selected you, we were looking for people that were coachable, that had the right attitude, and that would put in the work and the activity, and we saw something special in each one of you as thousands registered to be a part of Ultimate Agent Season 2, so you should be proud of that. The goal for the next several days, as you may have saw from Ultimate Agent Season 1, is to sell as much premium as you possibly can and to help as many clients as you possibly can in the Missouri area. I sold $117,000 at 20 years old in this city, and you are about to do the same thing, maybe $117K in 6 days. You never know, right?
Let's do it, yeah, for sure.
And throughout this process, just like Ultimate Agent Season 1, we will have challenges and eliminations, and we will eventually crown the Ultimate Agent that will win $121,000 in cash and prizes. Who is it gonna be?
Let's go.
This guy.
We also have 3 sets of mentors that are gonna be coming in over these next 6 days to help you succeed and to help you win. When they come in, I would soak up everything they have to offer because they are truly special, they're incredible, and they are here to help you win at the highest level. And to kick it off, we have a couple of familiar faces that I want to bring in to kick off Ultimate Agent Season 2. Please welcome from Season 1, welcome back, Patrice Shepard.
My name is Patrice Shepard. I've been in the insurance industry for 10 years. I'm returning to the Ultimate Agent Season 2 as a mentor. I was really excited when Cody gave me the call asking if I wanted to come back to Season 2. I was really excited because last season I gained so much knowledge and I'm using all of that in my business now. Hopefully each one of the contestants will take something from me so that they can go and further their business the same way I did, paying it forward.
Welcome back, Patrice.
Thank you.
And also from Ultimate Agent Season 1, our winner, the champion. Welcome back, Amanda Lunsford.
My name is Amanda Lunsford. I was part of Ultimate Agent Season 1 and also the winner. And it was an amazing experience and opportunity. I was raised by coaches. My dad was a high school football coach for 30 plus years. I feel like I'm following in my parents' footsteps, so it's an honor for me to do this. And plus it's just a fun experience to see it from the other side.
Welcome back to both of you.
Thank you.
Really appreciate you being here. Patrice, how does this feel to experience what they're going through and then come back live in Springfield for Season 2?
It feels amazing. First of all, I'm so very proud of each and every one of you. You should be proud of yourselves. This feeling that I have of excitement is not for myself this time, it's for you guys. And so as we were sitting and seeing you guys prepare and seeing the nervous energy and the excited energy, I just want to say, congratulations to you all. Soak in everything that you can and then go forth and do great things.
Love it. Thank you, Patrice. Amanda, the champion, what does it feel like to come back and help agents this season?
I'm excited for all of you, proud of all of you. Use your time wisely, just go all for it. And, even if you have to skip a meal through the process or skip some sleep, when you get home from this, you'll realize what you can do with that amount of time. And actually, I had my biggest month the month after I left Ultimate Agent. So
nice.
This brings you out of your comfort zone. Before Ultimate Agent, I used to care what people think.
Amanda mentioned being uncomfortable. Are these agents about to get uncomfortable?
Listen, you're about to step all outside of your comfort zone, right? The cameras are gonna be on you, and this is the time for you to be vulnerable. So if I could give you any advice, I would say be yourself, because that's what people wanna see. They wanna see you authentically being you, and just going forth and working hard and not stopping.
Speaking of being uncomfortable and getting you out of your comfort zone, right? And helping you be the best agent you can possibly be, and maybe, just maybe, crowned the Ultimate Agent for Season 2. We have our first agent challenge.
Let's go.
We're about to throw down right now.
Oh, nice.
How do you become the next Ultimate Agent? 92% of insurance agents fail. And we want to help you. We're going to help 1,000 insurance agents become six-figure earners in the next 100 days. How are we going to do that? You're going to do it, and we're going to do it by being a part of Ultimate Agent Academy, where I'm coaching you every single week, and I'm pouring into you and helping you. Also, classes with industry leaders throughout the month, different courses to give you videos to train you and skill you up, and a community of agents all over the world. We've already had agents from Bangladesh and Jamaica and different countries join. You can go to ultimateagentacademy.com and register today for only $49. Once we hit 1,000 members, it goes up to $147. Right now, it's only $49 a month. ultimateagentacademy.com. Join today, and I'll see you on the inside. Speaking of our first agent challenge, it is time to work some leads. Whoa! Get back in line. Get back in line. This is good though, right?
I about just dived
I was
on
about
to start pushing some ladies over, for real.
I can see you're excited. I can see you're ready to work leads. I love the energy, right?
Step 1, contestants will find the 9 pieces of paper that have their name and a letter.
First one, get 9 sheets.
So Colin will find your name 9 times, and there will be a corresponding letter under your name.
They will arrange their letters in the correct way to reveal the secret password. Step 3, they will use the password to access their computer, dialer, and leads.
So then you'll have access to your dialer and your leads, and you have 1 hour to book as many appointments as you possibly can. But I think we could use a few more leads. What do you think?
Wait a minute.
Oh my goodness.
Why not? I say we dump some more out. 3, 2, 1, go!
I mean, that was crazy. Seeing him come out with all those papers, obviously you never know what Cody's gonna do. And then he throws it all on the floor, and as soon as he said leads, I just wanted to pounce on the whole pile and make sure that I got all of them and nobody else did. I trust no one. So my name is Marissa Milazzo. I've been in the industry for 4 years, and I was born and raised in Dallas, Texas. I've been in the industry for a couple of years now, but I really have the chance to set things up and really be a little bit more stable for my family. I got a wife, I got kids at home. We've been married for 2 years, Kelly and I. We have 3 kids, so we got 2 girls in high school and son in college. We're blessed that we're able to be in this industry together, which is awesome. Being able to be here and be a part of season 2, it's really an opportunity for me to show how I do my work and how I'm able to really get out there and help a lot of families. They need agents like us to get out there and have those conversations. I have an opportunity to really, flip that switch, really just catapult into the next level of my business. Make a lot of friends along the way, have some fun while I'm here, just be able to really grow and gain some more confidence, just be able to enjoy the ride.
Donnie, they've been talking about you going home, bro, ever since you got here.
You started it.
Why are they doing that to you?
I don't know, man. I'm the biggest competitor. I'm the most fierce competitor. Yeah, that's what it is.
The biggest competitor or the biggest trash
Does
talker?
anybody see my name?
My strategy the whole time during this thing was, if I see somebody else's name, I'm keeping it.
Donald, you got some strategy, bro? What are you doing here?
Going through the papers as fast as I can go
And keeping other people's names. I knew he was gonna come up with some kind of scheme, break our backs while we do the most simple thing, and it was a ton of fun.
So you're gonna like take a shortcut?
Yep.
You think?
And it was exactly what I expected out of Cody Askins, 100%.
Are we all missing the same letters? That's difficult.
My name is Donald Peel. I'm from Ocala, Florida. I've been in insurance for about a year and a half now. The thing that motivates me to succeed is my family. I'm kind of the only guy in a family of 6 other women. You know, my mother, my sister, my aunt, and then my 3 nieces. So getting it done for them, showing them that I can, be the man that they know I can be. And I believe that life is about collecting experiences, collecting memories, collecting relationships. I'm so excited to, 1, the memories that I want to make here, 2, the relationships, the people that I know are going to last with me for a lifetime. Good friends, maybe even potential business partners. The lasting effect that something even just a week of being here is going to have on the rest of my life is so immense.
There's 9, correct? 9.
If anybody finds my name, I'll exchange one with you.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Jarrell's like, hey, let's work together a little bit.
Yeah, I like it.
My name is Jarrell Simpson. I'm from Chicago, Illinois.
How many you got now?
7.
I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I had like 6 people's things, but I lost it somewhere in this pile, so.
There are a lot of things that I love about this industry. The main thing is being able to help people. I don't want my children to feel like they have to do a certain way in doing things to be successful. I want to show them that you can do whatever it is that you want to do when you put your mind to something, and that's all that you need is the faith and the discipline. And in order for them to really believe it, I have to kind of do it. Insurance gave me that opportunity to prove to them that I can make a big impact simply just having an insurance license. My husband, he is amazing. He believes in me, and having a wife that has an entrepreneur heart, and you have to have a patient and understanding and loving partner who will be able to support you and hold it down in having a job and things like that. So I probably took it right back to family.
What would you do right now? How would you handle this situation? Paper everywhere.
It's crazy. Blank sheets of paper, trying to find a needle in a haystack with my name on it.
Where are all of them?
My name's Colin Bingham. I'm from Idaho Falls, Idaho. Got into the insurance business winter 2020. Been in Medicare doing that for the last couple years. And then 2 months ago, decided to go off on my own and start doing life insurance.
I think you are just all recycling the same paper.
Should we get in like a line and just go through? Maybe some strategy to this.
Or just start setting aside all the blank stuff.
Who's got 2?
I've got 4.
I got 2.
Anybody seen a mine?
I got a couple names over here.
Donnie, there's one over here, yours.
Now they're cooperating. What's funny is originally they're like, no, I'm not helping anybody, right? And like Donnie's over here holding his papers and like giving them the side, right? And then they're like, hey, if you find one, I'll give you one of mine. And then they start helping each other.
All right, it's Christmas time, all right? Charity, I got one for you.
Oh, she's been holding them out here.
Colin, no, they were all right
Okay,
there.
thank you.
Oh, as he's talking trash, you're holding one of his names.
There's the one you saw here, bud.
You got mine?
No, I couldn't find it. Hey, don't hold it.
They're a little competitive. What do you think? Would you be competitive? You know what? Everybody's a winner. You guys are fine.
None of that.
I mean, there wasn't really much of a strategy to be able to do that. I mean, Donald was kicking them all over the place, and everyone was just grabbing them and throwing them in different spots, and then you don't know if someone found your name and then didn't want to let you have it, and because I might have been guilty of that a couple times. Because I was like, you're not getting your paper unless you give me one of mine.
Marissa, I found you an egg.
Well, since you found mine.
Oh, true.
Holding back on you, bro.
Alex, you got one for me?
No, but I'll promise I'll look for you. I'll look for you. Come on.
Dude, is that all you got, bro? Y'all thought you were quicker this. You're 19, man. Like, I'm moving, Cody, I'm moving.
My name is Alexander Sala. I'm from Tulsa, Oklahoma, and I've been in the insurance industry for about a year and a half now. I'm 19 years old. With me being the youngest person here, I feel like it's a plus. You know, I'm here to win the whole thing. That's the number one goal. I will be here the whole week, so you will see me. You know, I think my motivation is my dad. He, you know, pushes me every single day, you know, to become the best I can be. You know, even when times I could get lazy in the business, you know, he's always pushing me to, you know, be my best. He's getting me up every morning. You know, you gotta hit the phones, you gotta set more appointments. You just gotta continue to get in front of people. And you know, he's definitely probably one of my biggest motivations when it comes to my business and how I work my business.
These are just sitting off to the side. I wonder if somebody's messing with them. Marissa, Jerry.
I see you guys scheming over here. What'd you?
Oh yeah.
What you got?
I don't know.
My name's Adam Lindsay. I'm from Greensboro, North Carolina.
What are you thinking, Adam?
Nothing for me.
How many you got, bro?
I have 6.
Are you slow rolling this contest? I thought I would see you've been talking about this for a year. You've been talking trash on social. You've been bragging.
So I got started in the insurance industry back in April of 2021. I have so much confidence in myself, and I typically don't try and spew that on everybody, right? Like I tend to keep that to myself. I'll give this back to you.
I thought you would have some more urgency. Why are you giving back to me?
I'm at 7, man. I don't. But I know how confident I am. I mean, I can.
You do whatever you want. This pile just keeps getting bigger and bigger.
I know. So my strategy was I was trying to like go through piles and stack it off to the side so I didn't accidentally go through it again. But then others kept just like kicking it up and tossing them all back together, which was a little bit frustrating. My name is Charity Fox. I'm from the outskirts of San Antonio, Texas, and I've been in insurance business for almost exactly 2 years now. I came into Ultimate Agent Season 2 knowing that without a doubt, I will be the winner of Ultimate Agent Season 2. Do I have any you don't have? Should we just lay them out?
Yeah.
All right, it's like a bazillion degrees in here. Did you get an A?
You have an A?
Yeah.
An A.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I got L-A-E,
Yep.
C-C,
Yep.
O.
There's not an O in there.
You got an O?
I have an O.
You said O.
I have an E, an A, and an O.
Oh, you're very short.
Yeah.
So as we were kind of looking through the pile, my initial thought was just like, find all my stuff, right? And then I started seeing other people's names pop up, and I was like, well, do I give them their names? Do I not? You know, this is a competition after all.
Hawk Elb.
Yes, I think.
That's it, bro.
Close. I think I need an S.
I think y'all could all figure it if
we all work together.
I mean, yeah. How do y'all not have all 9 like as a group? You know what this makes me think of?
Bleach?
Huh?
Bleach?
No, that's not enough letters. And there's an O in there.
I was stuck on bleach. I kept seeing the word bleach for some reason. I don't know why I was stuck on bleach. Bleach Co.
Alex, what does it make you think of, bro? It makes me think of snow angels. It was snowing yesterday.
Do we all have the same letters? Does everybody have the same letters?
Do we all have that? Oh.
Wait, do you have the same letters as we do?
That's what I'm trying to find out. I got 2 C's.
No, I got a B somewhere in mine. Wait, you don't have a B. You do have a B?
No, I don't. But she does.
You still gotta find the lead.
That first lead challenge was very exciting. Amanda and I were standing to the side and we were kind of saying, you know, oh, why aren't they doing this and why aren't they doing that? And then we had to look at each other and laugh because we remember being in that spot. Your journal is going fast and it's like your brain is on freeze.
Is it one word or multiple words?
What did I say?
Gathered as many letters as I could. Had the idea to use a word unscrambler on my phone. So I'm just gonna use like a letter descrambler and plug in all the numbers and see if it comes up with a word.
It's 8 now.
This may be a key piece here. I'm just telling you, this may be a key piece.
Where'd mine go?
Oh, you're over there.
No, those are Adam's. Hold on. Mine are right here.
They put yours back in the pile. Just kidding.
That one I think Charity went through.
I already went through that pile. There's none in there, I promise you.
Boom.
Did Adam get his?
Nailed it.
I hope you're enjoying the show. I wanted to interrupt the episode to share this episode's sponsor. This episode is all about getting in front of people, filling your calendar, calling leads, and booking appointments. And this episode's sponsor is Nashville Financial, who does an amazing job with leads, by the way. Final expense, mortgage protection, life insurance, and Medicare. They do this through direct mail, Google, and also telemarketing leads. You can stop and go to nfleads.com or click the link in the description below. Back to the episode. Oh, Adam is in. Adam is the first agent into his computer.
I don't know why I didn't think of that before.
We also didn't say you couldn't use your phone.
Is there like a word descrambler?
Yeah, he asked if you could. He did ask. Trying to find a word unscrambler. How many you got? 7, maybe 6 between all of us?
Hold on, let's see which ones which ones match up.
At first, I loved seeing Donald hoarding some of the other names, but then they started working together, so it was fun to see that.
Hello, I can't come to the phone right now, but
That's what it is.
Oh, wait, let me see that. How do you spell that? What kind of word? Is that the name of this place?
Come on now.
What is that?
Duh. They all got it. Let's see if they all got it. Oh, somebody don't know how to spell. Oh, Donnie's in. Oh, Alex is in. Charity is not in. Adam's on his first call already.
Second call.
Second call already.
Please leave your message for...
What? Oh! Didn't you just use this password to get in?
Yeah, I got you, Charity.
Type it in. Like, apparently I'm...
Is it caps lock?
Oh. Thank you. Thank
Got
you.
it in. Got it
What
in.
is it? Coachable?
Did everybody get it?
I think so.
Oh, Jarrell's in.
Jarrell's in.
Marissa's in. Charity's in. Everybody's in?
Hello?
Hey, can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Carol, this is Adam. I was just calling you back because we had got some information from you about a life insurance form that you filled out online. Do you remember filling that out?
Not interested. Take my name off. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Thank you. Not interested.
Hello?
Hey, Philip.
Yes?
Hey, Philip, this is Alexander. I just received a card you had filled out not too long ago, just requesting some extra information over final expense. Do you remember filling that out?
No, I don't.
Okay, yeah, you probably may have filled it out a while back. I'm just the one assigned to your case. Okay.
Hello. Hi, Nancy. This is Charity. I was just giving you a call about the postcard you mailed back into my office requesting more information about burial expenses.
About what?
Burial expenses, life insurance.
Oh, I don't need anything.
Oh, you had requested some information. Did you already get it taken care of?
Hi, Ella. This is Marissa calling you back from Senior Benefits. How are you doing?
You have the wrong number.
I have this paper here that you filled out, so I was just giving you a call back about.
Oh, okay.
So I was just calling to see if I could get some of that information over to you. I'll be over in Marshfield tomorrow afternoon.
Okay.
I was just seeing if there was a time that I could stop by and get that to you.
Yeah, but I'll be in town if that's what you're asking.
Okay.
Yeah, and like I said, it only takes about 15 minutes to go over everything with you. Would tonight work for you?
Not really. I'm sorry. I gotta go.
Sounds good.
Hello.
Hi, Gina. How are you feeling?
I'm getting by, I guess. Hello. I'm sorry I didn't. What is the life insurance company?
Safe and Secure Insurance.
Okay. From what company are you calling?
That's the name of our agency, Safe and Secure Insurance.
Hey, Mr. Crossland?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm here. My name's Alexander. I'm just calling over the state-regulated life insurance form that you had filled out not too long ago. You remember filling that out?
No, I didn't understand it.
Yeah, no, so you had filled out, you and I believe Shirley, it may have been her that filled it out, just regarding some extra information over life insurance, sir.
Oh, okay.
Which one would work better for you, 9 or 11?
9.
9, okay. Lewis, I will be out there around 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Hello, Keith.
Oh, this is Denise Isley. Keith is my brother. I need to know what I can find that's really cheap because he has no money.
10 o'clock work for you?
I won't be going anywhere.
Jarrell is on the board. Charity is on the board. Donald is on the board. Adam is on the board.
I've been getting stumped. That's my first one.
You want the client to be pulled back to them filling this out.
Right.
So you're gonna be like, hey Teresa, this is Amanda. I'm calling about the Missouri State Regulated Life Insurance form that you mailed in. Just to confirm, I've got you on Barron Road. That confirms that you know something about her.
Yeah. So, like I said, what is the hook of when I say it's a digital lead? So like I said, I've never worked digital leads, so what is the purpose of someone, like, is it for just general life insurance advice, or?
What I would normally say is, hi, this is Patrice. I'm calling you back from Senior Benefits regarding the life insurance that you requested. I just want to verify some information. You still live in Branson, Missouri. So in the beginning, you're just introducing yourself, telling them, why you are, what you're calling them about. And then, hey, this is the process. I'm a broker. I represent over however many carriers, 40 different carriers, and then go into it. Just start verifying their information, their name, what's your birth date.
Okay.
Okay, what can you give me 10,000? I'm 77 years old.
I can do that for you. You're 77 years old, looking for 10,000. Okay.
Yeah, how much?
Okay.
3 and 3:30?
Yeah.
So I've got you down for 3:30 this afternoon.
You gotta speak up and have more energy. You sounding too timid. Remember, this is your big chance.
You guys better step it up over here.
Hey, Leroy, it's Donald giving you a call back.
Yeah, I know, 20 times in a row. How stupid are you?
Yeah, I'm just giving you a call because I have your information right here in front of me, and like I said, I know it's annoying, but it's my job to make sure families are protected and families are financially secure. So, again, you know,
My job to turn you in a no call too.
Absolutely, if you feel that's necessary. But again, all I'm trying to do is making sure that you're.
You'd be an asshole.
I apologize, sir.
You're worried about somebody dying, and I ain't worrying about it.
Absolutely, everybody worries about it. You know, it might not be a worry as of right now, but
My brother-in-law just passed away Saturday, and I ain't worrying about it.
absolutely. Unfortunately, I lost my brother-in-law in September, so I completely feel you there.
So why should I worry about it?
Hey, you know, is your funeral already taken care of? You know, family's not gonna have to come out of pocket for that. Well,
Ain't none of your business.
Absolutely, it's none of my business. That's why I'm asking you.
Well, you call one more time, and I'm going to block you, and then I'll call the law for you aggravate.
Absolutely. Are you still at 1187?
I told you that's none of your business.
I have you were the one that put the information on here, sir. Yeah, I'm just giving you a call. I have to let that one go.
I don't know how many dials they have, who's dialing the most, who's the most active. That's what's really going to come down in this challenge, right? And at home, for you, is putting in the work and calling as many people as you possibly can, not thinking about it, not organizing your desk, just freaking going.
3 and 3:30?
Yeah.
So I've got you down for 3:30 this afternoon.
Well, you could do it this evening about 7 o'clock, maybe. We might be home.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. Well, if you would just let them know that I'm going to be coming by.
So give me a call back. Bye-bye.
I wouldn't leave voicemails.
Okay.
Would round 3 work better?
Would that be
That'll
okay?
work. We won't forget.
I will see you tomorrow. What time?
At 10:30.
10:30.
Challenge is heating up. We have many people setting appointments, and we have 19 minutes. Guys, 19 minutes left. 19 minutes left. Book as many appointments as you can.
All right, I'll give you a call tomorrow morning at 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
You did awesome. Only thing I would say, try to keep it under 4 minutes.
Yeah, and he just said not to, I guess we're not gathering information right now.
No gather, but you did great. I mean, she was talking to you, so.
All right, very good, Shannon. Well, I will be by your house at around 6 o'clock tonight.
Just say, hi, Elizabeth. This is Amanda. I'm calling about the Missouri State Regulated Life Insurance form that you mailed in.
Okay. Hey, Elizabeth, this is Colin reaching out to you. I just got a card back in the mail that you'd filled out requesting more information on the 2023 state regulated life insurance programs. Does Thursday work? I'll just give you a call.
Oh, that'll be fine. You can check. Yeah, that'll be fine.
Okay.
Appointment setting challenge down in 1 minute.
Is there any way we could do this at a later date? There's been a death in the family.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, woman. What's going on?
My niece's husband, he had an enlarged heart. Can you please call me back?
Unfortunately, I lost my brother-in-law, who was very much a father figure to me in September, so I know exactly what kind of going through right now, and I would love to at least make sure that, and if God forbid, you know, something were to happen to you, you know, you and your family wouldn't have to deal with any more repercussions.
Who set the most appointments? About to find out.
Would 9:30 work tomorrow morning?
Be fine with me.
Okay, awesome. Well,
I'll see you this evening around 6 p.m., okay, Marco?
Okay.
I have a couple of slots available tomorrow morning.
well, I'm going to be in your neck of the woods tonight and tomorrow.
I don't want to leave you off the phone upset.
And I want to make sure, you know, it fits your needs and your budget.
So I've got you down here in my calendar for 3 o'clock tomorrow. If anything changes, please let me know, because I got a lot of people that I got to get back to on this.
All right, competition is over in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Phones down, headsets off. Give yourselves a hand for the first appointment setting challenge. Welcome back from our appointment setting challenge. What was the word again you were trying to find? You were scrambling, you were looking for, what was it?
Coachable.
Coachable, man. Why that word? Okay, coachable. When I look back on my career, when I look back on time with Amanda and time with Patrice and other agents around the world that had success, they are ultimately extremely coachable. They throw their ego out the window, they leave their pride at the door, and they say, how can I serve? How can I help? And what can I learn from everyone today? Give yourselves a hand for that competition. Before we get to our winner of the first challenge of Ultimate Agent Season 2, I would like to get some feedback from our mentors who were hanging out, right, lurking a little bit, listening to some calls. Patrice, what did you see? Who stood out? Who didn't stand out?
First of all, I want to say congratulations to everyone. I heard everyone, just working hard, Cody, making those dials and going through, asking those questions and trying to get those appointments. And so that's very, that's obviously very good. Adam, I heard him making lots of appointments. Alex, I heard him over there, booking some appointments. Got a couple of appointments for tomorrow, which is good, booking them in advance. They all just did a fantastic job. True. I think that I see some premium in the air.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Yes. I see some premium in the air.
Yes. Okay. Now Patrice is like huge heart. Who do you think is gonna be the first one eliminated after what you just saw?
Ooh. That's tough.
God. Hey, you're a mentor now.
Well, this is what I'll say. The first person who's gonna be eliminated is the person who is not gonna give it their all.
All right, okay, give it up for Patrice. All right. Amanda, you had some high expectations. You saw like, okay, this person's gonna grind, they're gonna do everything they could. Who do you feel like has another gear? Let's put it that way, okay? We'll be nice. Who has another gear?
I like that. Donald.
Oh, I'm getting picked on, man. What the heck?
No, I expect it. It's just because I expect it. I know you have it. I know you have it in you.
Absolutely.
Andy's been talking a lot of
You're willing
trash.
to drive 15 hours to 8%, you have it in you.
That's true. 15 hours to 8%, 13 hours here, something like that, right? Like, that's awesome. The results are in. The winner of our first agent challenge is, with 6 appointments set, Adam Lindsay. Woo.
It's kind of like setting the pace for everybody, letting them know that I'm not here to play around, I'm here to win. It feels good to have an early start, get that win out there right off the bat. Hopefully it intimidated some people so that they're a little shaking in their boots so that they know I'm serious.
Adam, what was the strategy and the thought process going into that challenge? What were you thinking about?
What Amanda said, maximizing my time, I triple dialed all the leads and talked to every single person and just tried to get them off the phone as quickly as possible.
Yeah, you were also the first one to get in your computer.
True. But I hadn't set an appointment until everybody was already at their computer. So.
Did you wait?
No.
Okay, all right. Good work. Okay, congratulations again. Awesome first challenge. Congratulations to Adam. You just won $1,000 of lead credits. All right. And let's go. So the rest of the day is filled cells only. Tomorrow is either or. You have now until 8 p.m. that you have to be back by as we get an end of day recap. So let's go sell, maximize the moments, get some help from mentors, and go help a lot of people today.
Field time. We got 1 appointment. I'm gonna door knock all these leads, so it's go time. See what we can do before 8 o'clock, I'll be back. And it's go time, baby. It is go time.
We, ended the first challenge. I was trying to think and strategize on what to do. Should I stay and book more appointments for tomorrow? Should I try and book more appointments for today? But I just went to my 2 appointments. I moved my 7 o'clock up because it was an hour and a half away. That's another thing that I didn't know. All the areas super spread apart.
So I kept calling for a little bit, and then at a certain point I was like, okay, now I'm gonna go out in the field, and I kind of headed to my appointments a little bit early. I'm about to go run a couple appointments here in Springfield. Yes, definitely gonna make some sales.
For that first hour, I set 6 appointments, some for today, some for tomorrow. About to head to an appointment. It's about 15 minutes from here. Then I gotta be back here at 3:30 because I got another client who's coming here to run another appointment. Then I got 2 more this afternoon, so.
The biggest thing for me is this was my first time door knocking. So knowing that today was gonna be a field sales only, it was just, hey, there's no time to really think about it. It's just we're gonna go out there and we're gonna take it for what it is and just get after it.
Oh, we're making more than 1 sale today. Let's go.
I was really just, enjoying the experience and getting out there and trying to make some connections and sit down with some people. And so, I really enjoyed it.
First time for everything. Time to go get some sales.
Oh, I'm finna get some people some life insurance. It's money. Especially on a day like today. Boy, it ain't a game. This is real. Oh my goodness.
The reason I was alone for about an hour and a half. And a large part of that was I didn't want to rush. I looked through all of our leads, I looked through all of the systems that we had, and I found that we had a whole other page of leads, aged leads, that the majority of the contestants that were with us did not know about. So they immediately went to door knocking the maybe 20 or so leads that we got, you know, just to start, and there was another 30 to 50 sitting in our system just the same. So I went to call the rest of them, that way I could call them again, you know, tonight right before we got done. And whenever I was done with that, I'd door knock in between. Phone ring, door knock, phone ring.
This episode's sponsor is Optima Health and Wellness, and so I want to tell you about my health journey, the importance of your health journey. I remember back at the first 8% Nation conference, I got off stage and I felt like a hypocrite because I was talking about discipline and consistency and doing things you don't want to do, but I wasn't focused on my health and I wasn't focused on working out. Now I am. I'm excited for Optima Health and Wellness to get involved. You can actually go check them out at optimahealthandwellness.com to learn more about what they do. But I'm telling you, for my specific health journey, this has helped me with mental clarity, focus, confidence, all the things that you need to be a super sharp, impressive insurance agent like our Ultimate Agents. So again, if you'd like more information on this episode's sponsor, you can go to optimahealthandwellness.com or click the link in the description. Back to the show.
So I'm on the way to this door knock. We got a total of 20 something leads, 25 leads I got with me. Got an appointment at 6 o'clock and I gotta be back at 8. I think we'll get in a couple houses with the leads. Then we'll get in that 6 o'clock. I mean, I gotta sell at least 2 or 3 apps before the day's over. Gotta get on the board for our first day. Calling people and booking appointments today went really well. I think I could have done a little bit better, but I was able to end up getting 3 appointments. Ruth Walton. Hey, are you Ruth? Would there be a Ruth Walton here? No. Oh, that one didn't go as planned. After I ended up getting another appointment, and then I was able to talk to, you know, quite a few people. Hey, Mr. Hager, this is Alexander, sir. I am I'm with the state regulated insurance program, sir. And is this Mr. Hager? And then when I wasn't able to talk to those people, I went to go door knock them, and then I was able to get another appointment. They let me in the home, talked with the husband and wife. Oh shit, she's ready for me. Hey, are you Mrs. Boston? You know, they were able to, you know, let me help them out with some life insurance, so I was able to help both of them out. I just got out of the house. I wrote a husband and wife a $60 life app and a $45 life app. Nice. You know, I went about my way, and then a couple door knocks later, I was able to get in front of someone else for a future appointment tomorrow. See what we can make happen in this house. In that last house, I'm going back tomorrow to write up a guaranteed issue life. Probably about to be around $30 a month. So, we're gonna have that for a guaranteed sale tomorrow. I just have a 6 o'clock appointment now that I'm running behind to, so that is not good. And then I had another 6 p.m. appointment today that I was able to finish through, and then I got him. These leads that Cody's providing us with, bro, I'm talking, these things are fresh out the wazoo, bro. I probably got like 25, probably like, you know, 12 or 13 of them, you know, are just cash, man. Just got out of the house, 6 o'clock appointment. Success.
I moved my 7 o'clock up to a 3, went out there, long drive, like an hour, 20 minutes.
Driving to good old Squires, hour and 15 minutes away, set an appointment with a guy there. Pretty solid, seems he wants $10,000, he knows what he wants. Hopefully we can get him.
Super windy roads, but I was just jamming the music, it was good.
Dude, these rolling hills like a roller coaster, homie.
I pull up, the husband was there, and the wife wasn't, and he told me she was gonna be there.
Dale, nice to meet you, I'm calling.
But I went in and tried to sell a one-legger, which I shouldn't have. I go through the presentation. He's already got 2 life insurance policies, each of $10,000. I couldn't beat the price, but his wife called and said, you know, if that life insurance agent is there when I get home, there's gonna be trouble. I was still there when she got there, and she already had life insurance policy, but I was able to sell her a life insurance policy.
So the first appointment I went to, I knew she was in a nursing home, but she failed to tell me that she had COVID. Drove 30 minutes to get here, and she actually has COVID, so I cannot see her right now. I'm about to make a phone call and see what I can accomplish over the phone. So I drove 30 minutes and got to the nursing home, and at the door the lady was like, well, she's got COVID. I was like, oh, never mind. And so I went back to the truck and actually called and spoke to her, and then she said that she needed to do it after April 16th because she's waiting on Social Security from her deceased husband. Oh, you can't even do the 3421? No. And so she just simply couldn't afford it. She said she's living off of like $100 a month. And then, so that appointment, the next appointment was like 40 minutes away. I don't know, but there's a lot of farmland in Missouri. These drives seem extra long. And then it was kind of like a similar, well, not similar, but. All right, about to head into my next client's house. I got there and he was like, oh, I didn't realize what that was. I have like over $50,000 in whole life insurance and don't need any more. I decreased like my coverage after my wife passed because I didn't need that much because I didn't have to take care of her anymore. So I kind of, like those first 2 appointments, felt like I lost a lot of time.
Security.
Hey, do you have a moment?
Of course I do.
Okay. Well, I just wanted to go over like where I'm at right now and figure out what I need to do next. This morning we had a contest of who can set the most appointments within an hour. Adam got 6 appointments set, I got 4.
He's gonna be a tough one.
I know, he's the only one I consider competition.
When does today end?
8 p.m.
And you have no apps?
I have no apps. I pulled over and did a bunch of dialing and then came back and did a bunch more dialing. So I'm stacked pretty good with appointments for tomorrow. And of course, when we get fresh leads in the morning, I'm hoping to fill in some gaps too.
So in that first initial setting leads for that first hour, I set 6 appointments. It feels good to have an early start, get that win out there right off the bat. I hope they let me in because I gotta go to the bathroom. Some for today, some for tomorrow. And I ended up actually door knocking one of the leads because the phone number was no good.
I need to go just see if they're home to start. So I will be right back. Hey there, are you Pamela?
Yes.
Pamela, I got this card that you mailed back to us about the final expense information. Do you remember filling this out?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So I'm just here to see if you're available that we can talk for a couple minutes.
Okay.
How you doing, sir? Okay, so we're in. This house is not smelling great.
And I got into the house and sold a policy to a couple there. And then, or I guess 2 policies. Went back to the office and started making more dials.
Hey Clarence, this is Adam. I was able to get a hold of the girl who's helping me with the application here. So if you can give me a call back, we will get that situated for you. All right, talk to you soon.
Is that the first one so far?
There's a couple. I did the wife at the house.
Oh, nice. So what is that, 4,000 APV?
Huh?
4,000 APV?
I wish.
Oh.
Set more appointments for tomorrow, and then I had an appointment way up north. It's 45 minutes out of the way, and 40-minute drive coming up. So gotta head up to Buffalo. It's gonna be a ride, but hopefully it turns into something. Nice lady on the phone, so we'll see what happens. Just went there, got another policy written. Going in for appointment number 2 for the day. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so I just went and knocked a couple doors. No luck, but I'm gonna go on to a lead that I have that's here close by. Either get in or set up an appointment for tomorrow with them because they didn't leave a phone number on the card. So let's drive over there and see what we can find. I just gotta be careful because I could easily run out of time and not make it back on time tonight, so I definitely don't have time to sit and do an appointment, that's for sure.
I'm in the car, I'm going appointment to appointment, but at the same time, I gotta be loose and enjoy the experience for sure. And you know, if I'm all uptight and really tense, then I know that I'm not gonna be at my best whenever I get out there, you know, to really door knock. So I just wanted to enjoy it, have some fun, and you know, just take it all in.
All right, gonna see what happens.
I mean, I feel a little nervous today. Numbers-wise, I didn't do what I feel like I could have done, but I know that, you know, there's a lot of things thrown at us, and so at the end of the day, I did what I could do, and I'm still proud of myself for showing up and being here.
Yes. Did not go as planned.
I probably could have pushed a little bit harder with some of the calls that I made, and then I did make a mistake and I left a couple of leads sitting on my desk that I definitely could have gone by and still door knocked, so I was kind of kicking myself later for that one. I did the best with what I had, and then at the end of the day, we got to reset and, you know, get ready for what's coming up next.
No, Melinda. Let's see if we can find another one. My face ain't even ugly. They missing out not opening the door. Come on, y'all. Just trying to help a girl out.
If we survive to the next day, then let's get after it for day 2.
This is real. Oh my goodness. Don't worry about what other people are doing, where they at, what they doing. That's not my business. It's not my business. My business is my business, okay? Stay focused. I'm glad to be out of that office because it's like, it's hard to think, but like being in here, like in the car by myself, like now I can like hear my own thoughts, but it's kind of tricky to like block everybody out when they're talking and strategizing and you're hearing what they say and you're like, should I say that? And you're second guessing yourself. Like, you know, this takes muscle. You know, this takes muscle. Okay, so this is 11 minutes away, not too much. After this, 3 o'clock, I'm going to my 4 o'clock appointment, period. With confidence.
The rest of the day was surprisingly easy, and let me explain by, I've always found it difficult to sit at the desk and dial or get out and door knock, and best believe I would never door knock up until this point. And just doing work today, being surrounded by all these great people around us, the great coaches, it's motivating to get your butt in gear and get to work, man.
Ryan, how you feeling?
Setting appointments, feeling good. Just not getting people to pick up. Like, oh, that's why I'm just gonna grind through all of the numbers that I have right now.
How's the connection rate?
Connection rate has been, for the age ones, actually very surprisingly well. I was I've only worked age leads.
They're not super old though, which is good.
Only a little bit. I went straight to call-ins and A-leads when I started. So let's see, I might have contacted 3 so far and booked 1 out of 3.
Good.
Yeah, husband and wife. Yeah.
What do you think if you had to pinpoint something that is a hurdle or holding you back a little, is there anything specific?
I would say, growing up in South Georgia, you have the Southern politeness. So putting you're the expert in this conversation, you take control of the conversation. That has been my biggest hurdle of not just being steamrolled or not even just not steamrolled in general, but instead of being steamrolled as well. So
a lot of it is for me, it's finishing with a question.
Yeah.
It's when they try to, take control.
Gotcha.
I may let them for a second, but then my goal is to okay, if I do get an objection, I'll be agreeable, be respectful, but I'm going to pivot and try to get back in control. Which
so end with a question if they're kind of taking you off.
I try to end with a question every chance I get. Now, is that possible in every scenario? No, but that's how I use. I always think of the call as this path, right, from start to finish, and whatever the finish line is, whether it's a sell or an appointment or whatever. Their goal is to take you and push you off as much as they can, and then it's your job to not play in the ditch very long and get back on the road.
Out of it and then come back on the road,
Yeah. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah. So you got it. I like your strategy. Everybody else is gone. You're here booking appointments. Right?
Yeah, so like I said, right before I leave, around 4 to 6 o'clock, I'm going to go door knock.
Good.
And then I'm going to hit the after 5 p.m. crowd from 6 to 8.
Good. I like it. Yep. I love that. That's a solid idea. People will be home. They'll be getting home. They're home. And evening time, phenomenal.
Exactly. Absolutely. Yeah, that's for me. I really do focus even when I'm at a house. I need to even just get on the mornings because sometimes I'll take a morning and be like, oh, I know I'll get more pickups on the afternoon, so let me go put it off until the
Can't do that here. You shouldn't do it ever.
I know, I've never.
But it's actually going to be
cannot do it.
easier for you not to do it here, right? Which is cool, because we're like, every second matters.
Yeah.
Everything's important. But dude, I like your hustle. You're grinding. I think you got a great attitude.
Yep.
You're positive.
Heck yeah.
Okay, so let's keep it up.
Yeah.
Go door knock and then come back and get some dials in.
Yep.
Okay. Let's
Absolutely.
rock and roll.
Let's go make some money. Let's do it. So I'm doing something a little weird. I talked to this lady earlier on the phone. Immediately, like, she kind of started breaking up.
Is there any way we could do this at a later date? There's been a death in the family.
I'm so sorry to hear that. What's going on? I kind of shared the fact that, you know, my brother-in-law just recently passed, and something in me just told me to take a second from competing and to be a human and come give this lady a hug for some reason. So we'll see how it goes. I don't even think I'm going to talk about insurance the time. I just feel like this lady needs some love, so. That didn't go to plan. It's okay. It was worth it. You know, I think even though she didn't want to come out and talk, I know that did mean a lot to her, you know?
I would say I'm disappointed in myself. Proud of the work I did, but disappointed in the outcome for sure.
Yeah, I feel good. You know, I sold a policy, very small policy, but I'm on the board. So I feel pretty safe.
I believe I am good where I'm at. I don't think I'm gonna get sent home today.
I think I'm pretty comfortable knowing that if, you know, I've at least made one sale. I don't think that everybody has made a sale today.
I think anybody should feel nervous, especially when you didn't perform, you know, the way you know you can perform and the way you need to perform at the bare minimum.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Phones down, hang up calls, headsets down. It's 8 o'clock at the end of day 1. Let's go.
After 8 o'clock, you've been going for over 12 hours. How was day 1?
It was amazing. It was things that I was expected, but also some things that I did not expect.
What was different than you expected today?
The door knocking. I thought I would be in still like a metro area. I didn't realize that, you know, I'd be going out to some rural areas, farms, things like that. My appointment setting needs some improvement.
Okay. Which part?
Getting people to meet me later, finding that balance of what options I'm going to give them.
You've given them too many options?
It's interesting. You go to a restaurant, right? And then some of the menus, there's like 400 options.
Sure.
Finally, I'm like, just tell me what to order.
Cheesecake Factory.
Yes. That's exactly what I thought of. I didn't say it, but I swear Cheesecake Factory hit my brain, right?
Yeah.
Well, you don't want to be the Cheesecake Factory of appointment setting. All right, how do you feel that day 1 has went so far?
I wish I'd gone a little bit better. I wish I'd sold some policies.
Okay.
I wish on that first phone call, I hadn't have been sitting there trying to take all the information so that I would have more time to schedule an appointment. Because that first call was the one I sat there and was like,
5 minutes probably,
it
right?
was at least 5 minutes, and I was collecting all the information, and then you had leaned in.
Good. You stopped and listened though, you know. I was impressed by that. That was good. When's the last time you put in this much work in a day? Be honest.
Probably never. Not 12 hours straight.
Why have you never done that? Is it that you...
Schedule at home. I'm a single mom.
Yep.
My schedule just doesn't allow it.
Do you think that you use your home life as a little bit too much of an excuse sometimes? Okay? Like you weren't satisfied with today's results, right? And the good news is tomorrow's a new day. You're gonna keep doing amazing, keep grinding away, keep focusing. I believe in you, and I'm pulling for you. Dude, I wish I was as impressive as you are at 19 when I was 19.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it.
I did okay at 20, and I think you'll do better. Have you had a day where you put in this much work, ever?
To be quite honest with you, no.
No, please lie to me, right? No, be honest, seriously.
No, I haven't. This today was the hardest I've ever worked, yes.
Does that prove to you, like, how much more you have in the tank?
Yeah.
I'm not saying you gotta work 12, 13 hours every day.
Right.
But I am saying we all have another level.
Yeah.
We all have another gear. You've got some skill, right? Good looking dude, young, energy, right? And you're just kind of like floating through, hoping they'll just like let it slip by, right? But dude, like to win this contest, being average and floating through is not gonna work. There's a question I've been asking, and I want to ask you too. Have you ever worked a full day like this in your entire life?
A full day? No.
Why not?
Why has I been asking myself that all day? I have no idea.
But we lift people that really want it and want to work. And I have never seen that from you before. But I saw it from you today. Where can you improve?
I've been pretty proud of myself so far. I mean, I've had some crazy success.
So you're perfect.
Yeah, I typically don't work final expense leads. And so that's kind of, I think, my...
Did you know you're working final expense leads?
Yes.
How long have you known that?
That's a good question. I guess I
didn't stop saying you typically don't work on this day, right? You know where you can improve? You still make excuses.
Yeah, it's true.
You do, right? And you push back a little bit.
Yeah.
Or your pride gets in the way, or you start comparing your success to their success.
I do that all the time.
Dude, their success doesn't matter. You don't see me compare myself to other people in the industry, do you?
No.
Because they ain't me.
Right.
Right now, ready to do it in a humble, non-arrogant, professional way. Yes. But dude, they're not even close. But the moment I stop and start playing in the mud and start comparing myself to all these other people in the industry that think they're Kodiaksons, that's when I start lowering the bar and they start raising the bar. Because they're like, he's looking back. I think I can catch him because he's turning around and slowing down and looking down back at me, right? Stop looking back and run away.
Yeah.
Dude, you know what I'm most proud of today? Everybody else is worried about like what they're gonna do and how they're gonna do it. Oh crap, should I virtually sell? Should I call? Should I door knock? Should I set appointments? You said, dude, when I was growing up, I went and did a mission and I door knocked. And as soon as you could door knock, as soon as the challenge was over, what did you say you're doing? You went and door knocked, man. I'm proud of that. Seriously, that's awesome. Like you stuck to your roots. You didn't like look around and see what everyone else was doing. You said, dude, this is what I'm doing because I'm calling freaking Bing. Right?
That's right.
Right?
Absolutely.
You proud of your effort today?
Oh, yeah. I feel pretty good about it.
Good. But kudos to you though, like all these agents knew they were gonna be here for the last 6 months.
Yeah.
You found out
5 days.
because we had an agent that couldn't make it. You found out 5 days ago. Like that says a lot about you. I personally think you can get better at taking constructive criticism. Okay? And not letting your pride get in the way. However, you did whatever the freak it took to get here. I respect that like crazy. Like you, in my book, freaking shot up, man. Like seriously, like a ton of respect. What do you think of today, Donnie?
Cody, so today has been a mix of emotion. Disappointed in myself, proud of myself. You know, 0 APB on the day. I don't think anybody can be, happy with that. But
sure.
But to look down on the amount of work that I put in would be a travesty for sure. Top 5 hardest I've ever worked in my life. Definitely top 3. Definitely up there. Just riding all day.
Yep.
Getting it done, man. Dialing, door knocking, dialing.
True. And when you were describing that, you were smiling.
Yeah.
Probably the hardest day of insurance work. We can agree on that.
Yeah.
That you've ever put in your life. And while you're describing the hardest working, most activity ever, you smile.
Yeah.
Why do you smile?
There's so much to be thankful for, so much to be happy about. Life it gets hard on you. It doesn't matter how old you are, it doesn't matter how young you are.
What's some of the stuff you're going through? But just between me and you.
I became the man of my family. Losing my brother-in-law who was 36 years old in September of last year.
Sorry to hear that.
My mom, my sister, and my 3 nieces, and I'm very proud to step up to the plate and become the man that they know I can be and I want to be. So
you work hard, super respectful, great freaking attitude. You're always smiling and laughing. Like, dude, I freaking love that, man. Like, people need that in their...
Yeah, absolutely. I think so too.
Have you always been that way?
I wish I could say I was, but I was absolutely, I'm a lot more recent to high school to look back on, but I was definitely a bully. That I would say I was definitely someone that people didn't like.
You were a bully to others?
100%.
Wow.
And it was only until I really kind of looked in the mirror and I looked at myself one day and I said, who are you? If you put hate out into the world, you get hate back,
Yeah.
and vice versa. You put love into the world, you get love back.
That's right, man. That's so good.
It's not rocket science, but it took me a long time to come
No,
around.
but it's good for everybody to hear, Where did the bullying start?
Yeah.
Where did it come from? Or what happened in your life that turned you into that?
Just growing up poor, growing up bored.
It was frustrated with your...
Frustrated with the world, frustrated with the people around me. Things
With
that
yourself?
I had that, with myself, absolutely.
Did you ever apologize to him?
100% I did.
Nice.
Anybody I ever bullied, I always went back and
Says a lot about you.
hey, I didn't like the way that I treated you. By no means do I expect you to, accept my apology, but I just want you to know I'm sorry.
Good, man. That says a lot about you. That's awesome.
And the only way you can, really kind of put that I'm sorry into effect is by showing them that you are a better person.
If you don't put up numbers tomorrow, do you realize that you're probably gone?
Oh, 100% going home. I think for anybody, that's obvious. Anybody who doesn't put up numbers is going home.
You've been thinking about this for a while, right? For months. Now you're here. Day one is in the books. How do you feel?
I feel pretty good. I mean, I've never had to go out in the field before, so today was definitely a first time experience all the way around.
Yeah. What is it about this place that brings the best out of someone? Or the most, right?
I mean, there's nothing else but to focus on your business here.
Mm-hmm.
When the spotlight's on you, you don't want to turn around and say, man, I wish I would have.
Yeah.
And so, I'm just here to leave it all out there.
That's right. Yeah. What do you think held you back today?
I mean, definitely not being in a familiar place.
Okay.
Puts you a little bit on the edge.
Could see
I
that.
know you're driving through some places that you don't really know too much about, but you're like, well, they wanted this, so we're going to go
Okay.
find out. But I try to be a little bit more genuine and, hey, I'm just having a conversation with you.
Yes. What's the goal tomorrow?
The goal is to just get out there and crush it,
Okay, let's do it. I love it. To make sure that you make it and continue on, you got to get some results tomorrow. You know what I mean? You've got some gears.
And that's the place to unlock it.
100%. So let's go unlock it.
You're sitting there on the couch. You think you got what it takes to be the ultimate agent? Go to ultimateagentcontest.com to register and be a part of season 3. It's the end of day 1. The results are in. Almost 10 o'clock at night. Y'all been grinding for 14 hours, putting in the work. Give yourselves a hand for doing that today. Let's go. Donald, how would it feel to be eliminated?
Oh, dreadful. Not even a question, it would be the
As
worst.
he smiles and his charity laughs.
I've been making self-depreciating jokes, but it would be, god-awful. Even worse than death.
Adam, how do you feel about your effort day 1?
Overall, I feel like I put in a really good effort today for myself. I still think there's room for improvement, but I'm pretty proud of the effort that I put forward.
Okay. Jarrell, did you do enough today?
That's a really good question. I've been asking myself since I got back.
Yeah. The theme for today was coachable. Okay, and you were all very coachable, right? You really were. I was asking the mentors, who has been the most coachable? When you think about coachability, Amanda, who stood out today?
Definitely Charity, because she had reached out and called a couple times, and that's big to me, just because you're setting your ego to the side and wanting the help. So,
Amanda, in your opinion, who was the least coachable and who did not ask for help from the previous winner of Ultimate Agent Season 1 the whole day?
Marissa.
Patrice, I feel like you were one of those coachable in Season 1. What does coachable mean to you?
To me, coachable means that, we come with a skill set already. So all of you all have skills, to sell life insurance. But then coachable is meaning that you're willing to put that aside for a second and then to listen and to learn something new, or maybe something that you know that could be tweaked and taken to the next level.
That's good. Okay, I like that. We're gonna throw a little curveball at you on day 1 of the Ultimate Agent. And the person who's gonna be receiving the curveball is is actually going to be the mentors in this example. Okay? Some of you are like, I don't know where he's going, but I don't like this. Okay? And what we're going to do is, we have these amazing ladies here who are here to help you. And I want them to spend time with a couple of you tomorrow. And so right now, we're going to do a mentor's choice. And they're going to get to pick who they felt like was the most coachable of the day. Right, Alex, when we entered the passcode in the computer, the word was?
Coachable.
Coachable. That was our word today, right? And so right now, they're going to pick who they thought was most coachable, and that person is going to get to spend the entire morning with them. Whether it's on the phones, selling virtually, out in the field, in the car, whatever, right? And that is your time, because you earned that, okay? So let's start with Patrice.
So the person that I'm going to select is someone who had reached out several times to me. And I would say that person was Donald.
Let's go.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I love you.
All right, Amanda. Mentor's choice. Who are you going to select as the most coachable, in your opinion, today to spend the morning with tomorrow?
I'm going to pick someone, like I said, that reached out to me, that also is very similar in my style of selling also and on the phone.
Boom,
So
congratulations, Charity.
Thank you.
Here's what I want to say as we wrap up and close the first night of Ultimate Agent Season 2, which is crazy, by the way, right? This is going so fast. You know, we're working and grinding today. Here's what I believe. Each and every one of you still have another level. And it doesn't always mean another level of just work ethic, right? Because I do believe that all 7 of you can say this is the hardest working insurance sales day of your career. But it can be that way every day out there for you, and it can be every day out there for those that are watching and learning from you right now. And so at 8 a.m. tomorrow, we're gonna be back, we're gonna kick off day 2, and we're gonna see who's gonna go to another level. Have a good night, see you in the morning. Next time on The Ultimate Agent. Good morning, welcome to day 2.
Day 1, I was just getting started.
Everybody's kind of got a different strategy. Hopefully I chose the right one.
What information? What information do you want me to send? You haven't given me any information. I can't send you nothing else.
Going out with Charity today was great.
Even though it was only $30, $30 is $30. That's the choo-choo train starting to move. It's the locomotive.
Hey, where's Dad at?
We want you to be vulnerable.
I'm speaking to these guys.
And begin when you're ready.